Good morning, seniors. Today, this is part two of a three-part series on installing a Wi-Fi wall switch. Okay, today we are going to pair the wall switch, with the app. Okay, the app works for both iOS and Android. And we'll start right after this. Okay, in case we haven't met before, my name is John Bell. We're going to pair the switch to a app on the phone, either Android or smartphone, to control the switch. So, just so you know, this is part two of a part three series. I'll put the rest right up here for you when they're done. And the first thing we have to do is we have to load the app, okay? And then we have to pair the app, and then I'll show you how to use it. So let's go over and load the app. Okay, now that we have our switch installed, the first thing it says to do on the instructions after the installation of the thing, I'll show you this in just a minute, is to scan a QR code. Well, to scan a QR code, you need a QR reader. So we're going to go here. And we're going to go here, QR code reader. That's good. 4.6, 4.5, 4.7. The third one down is 4.7. That looks about the most. I will press it. And we will press install. And it's waiting for download. It's downloading it. Okay, now it's installing it. This is in real time. Open it. Okay, now the first thing is that we close the ad. App permissions, okay, yeah, that's fine. Allow QR scanner to take pictures and record video. Well, of course, otherwise it's useless. Okay, so here's, okay, there it is. Okay, now the instruction book is two sides. Okay, the first side is how to install the switch, which we've already gone through. And the second side is now how to pair it to this app, how to download the app and pair it. So the first thing it wants to do is scan the QR code. Okay. All right, and it came up this, so I'll just press it. Okay, there's the app that we need. It's made by Anku. It's called Rex Smart. And we want to install that. Now, this is only for Android. You'd have to do it manually to go for iOS. Okay, now we will open this. Okay, now I've already done this before, so I have a thing. It's going to ask you for a password and a username and a password. I've already put mine in. However, you see my username is John48 _. It says letters, numbers, _. So I took that literally. It wants letters, number, _ in the name. And my password's already in, so now I'll log in. Okay. And now we were going to set up a device. Okay. And that will be for the next part of this, which is pairing the Wi-Fi switch to this Rec app. Okay, now that we've loaded the app, now we want to pair it to the actual switch itself.
And we'll get that right now.
All right, if you turn your breaker back on and the light is not blinking here, press and hold this for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, there it goes. Okay. All right, I'm firing up the app here. I'm going to press the rec app, add a device. Okay, it's a wall switch, so I'm going to press a wall switch. Make sure the Wi-Fi blinks fast, like the app here. So you can see it's blinking fast here and here. Okay, and it's going connecting. Okay, please wait. At about 4%, the light went out. It says, aha, I found a wall switch. I don't know if you can see that. Okay. So while this is pairing itself here, I'm going to edit this wall switch. It is a wall switch, but I don't want to call it that. I want to call it Hall. So I want to edit this, and I want to go backspace. Okay, H-A-L-L. Oh, my arrow is right in the way. Okay, you can see when it's done now that I have a thing on here called Hall. That's the one that I changed it to. Okay, so if I take this now, if I put this right here, hopefully you can see that. And if I press it on, you notice it's on and it turned green. Okay. If I press it off, it goes off and it turns gray. So now we have 2 ways of controlling this wall switch. We have just the on and off on the switch itself, and we have the on and the off on the successfully paired app. Next step will be to pair this to Alexa and be able to operate it on and off from the app itself or on and off through voice command. That we'll have to go back to the studio for, and we'll pick it up right there.
Okay, so you see right now we have the switch installed, and we can of course operate it right off the switch. Now we have, well, on my case, I have an Android, okay, that has the app installed, and I can also turn it on and off from the smartphone. Now, next up, which is part 3, okay, is how to pair it to Alexa, okay? It's a 2-part process. One is you need the Alexa app, and you can control that switch through the Alexa app, just like I showed you right just a few minutes ago, through the Rec app, okay? And then the last one is to have you do it by voice command with Alexa, okay? So you're going to wind up with 4 different ways of being able to control the switch. And I hope one of those 4 ways works for you, okay? For me, it's hands down, it's just Alexa voice, okay? I control almost everything in my house through Alexa voice. Okay, so until next time, when we pair it to Alexa, this is John Bell signing off. See you then.
This is John Bell, thanking you for watching reviews. If you see this on Facebook, please like it. If you see it on YouTube, please subscribe. Until the next time, I wish you good luck and good night. May God bless. That's all, folks.